The Chevrolet Corvette C8, with its bold, mid-engine design, shook the world of American sports cars when it was launched in 2020. The shift to a mid-engine configuration was a game-changer, offering unparalleled performance and handling. However, like any high-performance vehicle, the C8 does come with its own set of challenges. Whether you're already a proud owner or considering the C8 for your next car, knowing about the common problems and their easy fixes can save you time and money. Let's explore the top 10 issues you might encounter with the Chevrolet Corvette C8 and how to handle them. 10. Tire wear. The Corvette C8, being a performance vehicle, has the power and handling to deliver an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. However, this comes at the cost of faster tire wear, especially for the rear tires, which bear the brunt of the car's performance. With its rear-wheel drive system and powerful V8 engine, the rear tires were much faster compared to the front. One of the easiest ways to prevent uneven tire wear is by keeping an eye on tire pressure. Regularly check and maintain the recommended tire pressure to avoid unnecessary wear. Tire rotation is also crucial. Rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles ensures that the wear is spread evenly across all 4 tires. If you notice excessive wear on any tire, it's important to replace them promptly. Using the right tire type, specifically performance tires designed for the C8, also ensures better longevity. 9. Battery drain. With all the advanced electronics in the Corvette C8, battery drain is a problem some owners face. Particularly during periods when the car isn't being used regularly, the car's electronics can cause a parasitic drain, leaving you with a dead battery when you're ready to hit the road. To minimize the risk of battery drain, always disconnect the negative terminal if you plan to leave your car in use for a while. Another solution is to use a trickle charger, which helps maintain the battery's charge. If you're experiencing rapid battery drain, it's advisable to have the car's electrical system checked for any parasitic draws. Keep the battery terminals clean and free from corrosion to ensure the longevity of your battery. 8. Infotainment system glitches. The Chevrolet Corvette C8 comes equipped with a cutting-edge infotainment system. However, with all the technology at play, it can sometimes experience glitches. Owners have reported issues such as frozen screens, touchscreen unresponsiveness, or problems with Bluetooth connectivity. A simple reboot can often resolve these issues. To reset the system, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, check for software updates. The Corvette C8 system frequently receives updates, and ensuring that your software is up to date can help smooth out many issues. If the problem persists, resetting the system to factory settings or visiting a dealer for a more thorough inspection may be necessary. 7. Transmission jerking or delayed shifting. The Corvette C8 is equipped with an advanced dual-clutch transmission designed to provide smooth, fast gear shifts. However, some owners have reported instances of jerking or delayed shifting, particularly when the vehicle is in automatic mode or cold. These issues could be the result of low transmission fluid or minor glitches in the system. The first step is to check the transmission fluid levels. If it's low, top it up with the manufacturer's recommended fluid. Additionally, performing a reset of the transmission by switching between different drive modes and letting the system recalibrate itself can help smooth out the shifting process. If the issue continues, you might need a transmission fluid flush or a software update to correct any issues with the transmission control unit. 6. Engine overheating. Engine overheating can be a problem for any high-performance car, and the Corvette C8 is no exception. Whether you're taking it on a long road trip or a track day, the engine's cooling system plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal performance. Overheating may be caused by low coolant levels, a blocked radiator, or a malfunctioning thermostat. Start by checking the coolant levels and topping them off with the recommended fluid. If the coolant levels seem normal, but the engine is still overheating, it's important to inspect the radiator for any blockages or leaks. A malfunctioning thermostat can also cause overheating, so it's a good idea to get it checked. Regular maintenance of the cooling system is crucial, especially if you plan to push the car's limits on the track. 5. Door seal leaks. Another issue that has surfaced for Corvette C8 owners is door seal leaks. Water can enter the cabin through the seals, especially during heavy rain or after car washes. This can cause damage to the interior, including the carpet, upholstery, and even electrical components. Inspect the door seals regularly for any visible cracks, tears, or misalignments. If any damage is spotted, it's best to replace the seals. Additionally, ensure that the seals are seated properly when closing the doors. If the leaks persist, check the window alignment. If the window isn't sealing properly with the door frame, the cause of the leak might be there. 4. Power steering problems. Some Corvette C8 owners have reported issues with the power steering, particularly a loss of assist or stiff steering, especially at low speeds. This can happen due to a low fluid level or problems with the power steering pump or lines. If you notice any steering problems, start by checking the power steering fluid levels and topping it off if necessary. If the fluid looks dirty or burnt, a flush is recommended. If the steering remains stiff or jerky, it may be a sign of a malfunctioning power steering pump, which could need replacement. Regular maintenance of the power steering system ensures smooth handling and reduces the risk of further issues. 3. Exhaust rattling noise. Many Corvette C8 owners have reported hearing an unusual rattling noise coming from the exhaust system. This is usually caused by loose or damaged heat shields, exhaust hangers, or even a problem with the catalytic converter. If you hear a rattling noise, start by inspecting the exhaust system for loose components, especially the heat shields. Tighten any loose bolts, and if the problem persists, check the exhaust pipes and mufflers for any cracks or damage. If necessary, replace damaged parts to stop the rattling. If the issue seems more severe, such as a damaged catalytic converter, it may need to be replaced entirely. 2. Brake pedal feel. Some Corvette C8 drivers have reported inconsistent brake pedal feel. Whether the pedal feels too soft or too hard, this can cause concerns regarding braking performance. The cause is often air in the brake lines, low brake fluid, or worn-out brake pads. Check the brake fluid level regularly and top it up as necessary. If the brake pedal feels soft, there may be air in the brake lines, which can be fixed by bleeding the brakes. If the pedal feels hard, it could indicate low brake fluid or a vacuum issue. Additionally, worn-out brake pads should be replaced to maintain optimal braking performance. 1. Windshield cracking and chipping. Given the Corvette C8's low ride height and aggressive stance, it's prone to damage from road debris, which can result in windshield chips or cracks. The windshield is particularly vulnerable on highways or areas with loose gravel. To minimize the risk of chips and cracks, always be cautious when driving in areas with loose gravel or road debris. If your windshield does get damaged, address it as soon as possible. Small chips can often be repaired, but larger cracks or chips that obstruct the driver's view may require a full replacement. Protecting your windshield with a protective film can also reduce the risk of chips. The Chevrolet Corvette C8 is an exceptional sports car that delivers unparalleled performance, stunning looks, and a driving experience that few can match. However, like any high-performance vehicle, it's not immune to issues. By staying on top of regular maintenance and addressing problems early, you can ensure that your Corvette continues to perform at its best for years to come. If you encounter any of the issues mentioned in today's video, don't worry. Many of them are common and easily fixable with a little attention. Regular maintenance is key, and staying ahead of potential problems will help avoid costly repairs in the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and in-depth car advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep your Corvette in tip-top shape.